Hey everyone, so someone sent me this example of trying to put their 2024 tax return into the personal tax planning template. They have $702,479 of W-2 wages on the tax return, but I'm looking over here and they have $558,016 for spouse 1 plus another $202,274 for spouse 2. That's a grand total of $769.20 versus $702,479. What in the world is going on here? Then I scrolled down a little bit further and I'm looking right here. They have pension income for spouse 1 of $832 on the personal tax planning template. There's no taxable pension income on the tax return line 5B. In fact, over here on line 5A, there's no pension income at all. Then continuing down the list, what is this right here? A loss in the long-term capital gains section? There is no such thing. What is the rule about net capital losses? If you have a net capital loss, whether that is from short-term or long-term, this item has to go in the short-term ordinary income section, and it's also limited to a maximum of $3,000 per year. So this item right here is completely in the wrong place, and it's also the wrong amount. Now continuing down the list on the personal tax planning template, here are all of our Schedule 1 items. This couple has a grand total Schedule 1 of $16,843 on the personal tax planning template, but this number is supposed to be $73,682 minus 101, and that comes from right here on their tax return. Additional income from Schedule 1 line 10, there's the $73,682. From that, we need to subtract the amount on line 10, the adjustments to income from Schedule 1, that's $101. So when we go back down here, the total that should be on this line of the personal tax planning template is $73,581. But we only have $16,843, so that's completely wrong. And then getting down here to the bottom of the column in the personal tax planning template, we're showing $205,344 of total tax, but right here on the tax return we have $211,818. There's only one thing that can be said about the way this individual prepared their personal tax planning template, and that is holy guacamole. But we're going to work through every single number in the latest Members 2025 FastTrack training video release, and we're going to fix it all the way down to the dollar. As you know, when the preparation of your personal tax planning template is complete, I want this number right here to agree to your tax return, all the way down to the dollar. And so that is what we are going to figure out together in this real-world example. And by the way, this is a great example because not only are we going to cover the usual face of the 1040 items, we're going to cover Schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule C, and Schedule E as part of getting it all sorted out. This tax return that we're going to go through has a lot of complicated issues for you to learn from, and in this training video you will see me troubleshoot this entire return to personal tax planning template reconciliation step by step, line by line. The training video on this real-world example is complete and has been uploaded to the members area. So if you're already a member of the Personal Tax Planning Template program, you know where to log in. And if you're not already a member, lifetime access to the Personal Tax Planning Template and video training program is available for purchase at the link in the description below this video. While you're in the members area, also keep an eye out for new videos that will be coming out on Phase 2 of the FastTrack system. As I mentioned in the first 3 videos of this series, we are going to work all the way through steps 4, 5, and 6 by November the 8th, 2025, and then on November the 8th, that Saturday, we will start working on Phase 3. So hop into the program, download the personal tax planning template, and get started on the fast FastTrack video training series, and let's get these Roth IRA conversions done by the 12/31/2025 deadline.